Hello everybody. I'm going to give you a tour of the RV today. We'll start with the outside. This one here is the generator. And moving right along, access to the battery for the coach battery, not the engine, but keeps all the lights on inside. This one is your cooking gas. Just shut off and all that good stuff to it. We're about half full, yay. This is the fun one. Oh, this is the electric. I'm sorry. And moving along, gasoline, of course. These are outside plugs. Oh, this one's phone, I'm sorry. And that one's cable. Yeah, the outside plugs are on the other side. This one is the fun one. That's your sewer hookup. Yay. Alright. Then of course there's the big one. This one's all storage. Goes through to the other side. This is your water. And this one, see if we can get that open. This is access to your water tank. I think it's 30 gallons of water, water pump, lines, electrical, whatever have you. Moving around to the other side. This one matches the other side of it. Keep all your junk down in there. Got a table, the bucket. On the other side there's tools, whatever. Awning, there's 14 feet of awning up there. This is the one. Those are electric plugs. Yeah. Okay. Refrigerator system. And this one. Come on. That one's all storage. There's the gas grill, coffee pot, ceramic heater, levelers, ooh, and a shovel for those big bonfires that I'm not going to have. Okay, let's go inside. There's a little hook to keep the door shut. We'll keep the door open. Alright. Come on. Out comes the step. First thing we look at, this is the main switch that turns all the power off in the coach. And what's really cool about that is you turn it off, it's right there, it's the last thing you do, and when you come in, if you leave a light on inside, we throw the switch, the lights come on. So that's always a good deal. If you come in the middle of the night, just throw the switch, no big deal. Alright. All the lights in here have been switched over to LED lights. So that's a good thing. We start up front. Of course we have that supposedly is equivalent to a queen size bed. So who knows. And of course you have where you drive, and there's the backup cameras right there, and all kinds of goodies. Just, you know. Table, chairs, there's storage under here, storage under that one. This drops down and creates a bed. Of course, we have this couch, and the couch opens up to make another bed that I'm never going to sleep in. Up top we have a TV, and somehow or other this slides out. Don't ask me how, I haven't figured it out yet, but anyhow there's TVs there. Got lots of storage. There's the controller for the TV, DVD player, assortment of junk. This handy dandy little thing right here controls your antenna. So you can use that. You can change it. You can point it. They're directional antennas. You can point it whichever way you need it. Up top here, of course, is the air conditioner. We come around the other side, there's more storage. That one's mine. It's full of all kinds of junk, raincoats, etc. Tape measures, assortment of tools. And these are just empty. And these are handy little things. You buy them at the dollar store. Oh, there is something in there. You buy it at the dollar store and you can put all your junk in. It stops it from sliding around. Excellent, excellent. For $1. Alright, got more storage here. Storage up top. Freezer. Refrigerator. More storage down at the bottom. Now there's storage down here. Okay. There's your stove. Oven. Ooh, microwave. And this bad boy is the controls for the come on, show me. These are the controls for your tanks. Shows me my battery conditions, my gas tank, LP gas, freshwater tank, holding tank number 1, holding tank number 2. Oh, that's handy. Controls for your water, turn your water off and on. This is your hood light. We don't care. Sink. Of course, more storage underneath. Shower. It's not a bad size shower for a little. Of course, she hasn't learned yet. She can't put stuff here. It's good for when you're stopped, but when you drive in, that goes everywhere imaginable. The door slides out like so, which is pretty handy. So you're not walking into a sliding door, or walking into a door. And of course we go in the bathroom, or as we say on the boat, onto the head. Sink, hot and cold water. It has a ceramic toilet, no plastic toilet. Storage down underneath, there's storage back up under there. Towels, etc., etc., etc. There's electric in there. There's light, fan in the vent, keep it nice and cool and take out all the smell. This door, the bathroom door, we can see, moves in and shuts in place like that. So it stays in place. Let's give it a good hard. So you can separate yourself from any people that may be out there. As we come into the bedroom, of course, there's lots of light. That one in the curtain in the back, that is the night curtain. These are your day curtains here, and I'll show you how that works. The day curtains slide up or down, so you can have it just no curtain at all, or you can slide it down. And at night, when you went dark, you just pull this one down, and it's nighttime. There's cabinets here, cabinets up top, our cabinets over there, TV, this one's heat, assortment of sensors in here, there's one up there. Oh, and then if you're in here and you have company, you can just pull that across like so, and it locks right there, and you have home sweet home, and you're separated from everybody else. So, let's see, did I forget anything? I'm sure I forgot a lot, but it just gives you a general idea. Oh, here's your these are the natural gas sensors down here, your gas sensors, so if you have a problem, if it's leaking or something, that alarm goes off and lets you know. Oh, that's what we have, that's where we are. Bye-bye.